Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I am going to jump off the deep end and do a large scale pour. So I'm going to get set up and we're going to jump right into that. I want to thank you guys in advance for your likes, shares, and I appreciate your comments so much. And hey, if you're new to the channel, I hope that you will subscribe as well. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll know when a new video comes out. Anyway, let's get right to it, guys. Thanks. Okay guys, so you're gonna jump off this cliff with me on this large, this is a 20 by 24. Let me make sure I'm telling you right, that's not it. Oh. Edith, this is a 24 by 30 canvas. I have mixed up, I've already mixed up my paints. What I've done is 2 ounces in each of the 5 cups, 2 ounces of paint, and therefore I put 4 ounces of my Floetrol, with the exception of the 2 metallic paints, which I put just a little bit more because they're much denser, it seems to be thicker and whatnot. In these 2, I have put a little bit of my treadmill lubricant. I'm going to be using, this is a metallic antique gold. I've got a burnt umber. And just because I want a little bit of a lighter contrast throughout it, I'm using this metallic silver. But I didn't want to go with white, but I wanted a little bit of something here. I also have this navy blue, and this is pretty, it's called mountain blue. One of them was just still a little bit overwhelmingly blue, so I added a little black, trying to give it a little bit more of a true navy look. In fact, I'm almost thinking I could use just a little more. Maybe we'll add just a dot here, because I really want more of a navy and subdued looking blues. I don't want it to be like, I mean, I love blue, but for what this project I'm going for, I don't want it like an in-your-face royal blue. And that just really wasn't looking navy to me. Now, maybe that's a little bit better. Okay, so here we go. I've got my order of how I want to layer. I've got this ginormous container here. And also, when you're mixing up this size, you know, you gotta really stir. You gotta put some elbow grease in it, because it did take quite a bit of stirring there. To get it, because you want it well mixed. And it never hurts to come back and, you know, do one more little mix before you start pouring. The reason that I put the treadmill oil in a couple of the colors is because I would like to get some really nice cell definition. So we're hoping to get that. Again, what I have found when you're layering paints, kind of bank it off the side a little bit, and your layer is gonna stay more on top of the previous color. This one looks like it needs a little more stirring here. I've had these canvases for a while, and I've just been looking at them like, oh, when am I gonna do one? So, you know, like I said, we're just gonna jump on in and do it. Why not? Because as I've said before, you make a pour and you don't like it, pour over it. Need another little stir. My preparation took a little bit more time because my canvas is bigger than my table. So I have drop cloths everywhere. Now I'm losing my... I'm just layering back and forth, hopefully in the same order. That's something fun. You'll be going along and all of a sudden you get your order, or I have gotten my order out of whack. I don't think there's anything too crucial there that is gonna say, oh my gosh, you can't do this. You know, the whole point of doing the pour painting, people, just please remember, is to have fun. Fun, 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 fun. We're not baking cakes and we're not making a watch. Like I said in my last video, you know, out of 20 pieces, you may get 5 that you love or less. But that's okay. You just keep pouring. And that was, you know, somebody was talking about the recipes being so complicated. They're not complicated. I mean, there's so many things that you can even use water as your additive to get your flowing going. I have found, especially with white, the water cracked in my paint when it dried. But you can still use water, especially to practice. We did that, you know, once when I was in Texas with my family, and we did not have, well, we ran out of the little bottle we had. Therefore, we used water. Everybody had fun. Everybody made something pretty. I think we're about to the bottom of the barrel, so to speak, here. My last couple of colors. Yep, that's pretty much all we're going to get out of that one. And a little bit more of the brown. I want to do the blue, but needing some earth tones in with it, so the brown and the metallic. Okay. All right, y'all ready to get messy. Now I want to flip this, but I may have to pour. I don't know how well that's going to work. So we may have to just pour, which is also not bad. All right, y'all ready? Huh. We've got great cells already just popping, popping, popping away here. Now this is gonna also be a fun for me. Haven't done one this size, and manipulating it is gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, wow. I don't know about you guys. I love the freaking colors. So let's see. And I've got, you're gonna hear it hitting my floor. I've got drop cloths. Actually, I'm gonna put it up on these later because they're just gonna get in my way. Yeah, I'm gonna knock them off. Oh wow, this thing is kind of heavy too, folks. Just some FYI. Yeah, I hear it going to town down there on the drop cloth. And I hope, I'm sorry, I know I'm probably getting out of the view, but I've got the camera back as far as I could possibly get it. Oh, yeah, stick a fingerprint on there, that's lovely. I said we were gonna dive in. Not sure if we dove or fell. I want that little bit of light blue to move on down. The darker blue, I believe, is the one I'm looking for. Wow, okay folks, there we have it. This was a huge challenge for me. Oh, I think that's just natural, and I'm poking my finger in it. Anyway, this was a challenge for myself, and anyway. There we have it. So let's take a look at this when it dries and hope all comes out for the best. Thanks for watching, guys.